Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Thank you.
So for today's video, guys, our lection for today is about of solar system. Okay, watch and learn. Uy, sorry. Sige ha, ato yan.
Patay. Mama, agad.
Na.
Mama. Tandaan ko na eh.
Abe, excuse. Okay, di na mo. Ay, sabon man ang buha. Okay.
Sintain niyo.
Hindi mabot sa ako.
Ako, nabot. Diray ko ka.
Ayun, ako ipanao.
Ano, naglingkod mo ko?
Okay, our lesson for today about of solar system. So, solar system.
Mama na yung bulpen. Ako.
Okay, basa ha. Ano siya ni? Hindi ko maklaro.
Solar.
Isa ulit tubig itong kortina kay kasulaw kayo. Na, sulaw kayo. Hindi maklaro. Hindi maklaro. Isa di. Kana ara na kortina.
Ano?
Kuan gihapon itong usa. Apila tong usa. Apila ang usa.
Bakit naman ko?
Ang usa ba kay kortina apila. Kay nawa, di ba? Di maklaro ang pati sulat.
Ang kanay?
Oh, ang dali dapat di maklaro na. Na.
Oo. Murag pikasya man ako.
Oh, pa. Oh, sige. Okay.
Kaya,
Oh, kana. Okay, kana.
kita?
Nakita na. Oh, kana. Okay. Basa ha?
Solar system.
Okay. Our lesson today is about of solar system. Five solar system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what you learn, isibog-sibog ka dito. Okay. Patunga-tunga. Hindi may gotong lingin. Yeah. So, this, kani. Na. 1.
Two.
Dito. Pag mo din.
1. 2. 3. 4. 9.
Okay, 9.
Uy, dire.
Wala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Igatin na siya.
10.
So, kani siya na solar system. Basaha ha akong sulatan. This is what's that?
Sun. Ay. Sun.
Sun. This one is what's that? What's that?
Mercury.
Huh?
Mercury.
Iman na siya. Dili na
Kanan?
di ni masaylan. Imo ginabasahan tanan. Mercury. Ang pagbasa na Mercury.
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 Curie. Mercury.
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 How about this? Gani, basahan eh. Saan siya? What is one?
Venus.
Venus. Very good. How about this one? What this? Saan siya?
Earth.
Earth. Very good. How about this one?
Mars.
Very good. How about this one? What's this?
Is it Jupiter?
Jupiter. How about this one? Ayaw ka ni. Ayaw ka ni. Pero kita. Ako makita. Kita.
This one is Jupiter.
Kani. How about this?
Saturn.
Saturn. Very good. How about this one? This is called you. It is a.
What?
Okay, this one. Anak lang ako na. Yes, yes, yes. You ha. You na siya ha. Ang imo pag-pronounce ani you ha.
You.
Okay. Sige. Kanira siya may mong litukon og you.
You.
Sige. Right.
Uranus.
Uranus, very good. So this one. This one ha. Kung aruhan.
Uranus.
Kani.
You.
Dili. In. I-silent ang E. Silent E. Ang pagbasa na.
Neptune.
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 Neptune. Neptune.
Kani.
Jupiter.
How about that?
Sa? Ano? Kanira? Kung kare.
Kumana man tani Mercury diri ta.
Ayun.
Kani. Sige. Sige. Sige.
Plot.
Oh, lo. Nya naman na yun. Oh. Mahimo siyang
Ta. Apple.
dili. Urag yun po.
O.
Basa lagi. Saan siya pagbasa?
Pluto.
Pluto, very good. Okay, what is this? What is this? Basa ha? You read this one?
Solar
Out.
system.
System. How about this one? Sa pagbasa ni, what do you read this one?
Neptune.
Neptune. How about this one?
Pluto.
Pluto. How about this one?
Mercury.
Mercury, very good. How about this one?
Venus.
How about this? Louder. Saan?
Earth.
Earth. How about this?
Mars.
How about this?
Mars. Jupiter.
How about this?
Saturn.
How about this?
Uranus.
You. Ang pagbasa na, you. Sige, dito ah.
Uranus.
Uranus. Okay, about this?
Sun.
Nya. Okay na. So, very good. So, this solar system. Mercury, we have a solar system. In solar system, we have a Mercury, Venus, Pluto,
Inom sa ka.
Earth, Neptune, Sun, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter,
Mama, inom
Mars,
eh.
Earth. Okay.
Mama, mainom eh.
Oh, okay. So, we finished about of 10 solar system. So, we next about of ano sa itong anong eraser? About of number and literacy. Write the number on the letter and write the numbers.
Ako sirkulan?
Dili, uy. Ganang, wala, uy. Eraser na ba? Kaya eraser pa ni, kaya mag-ano ka
Ikaw,
next.
ito.
Hindi ay.
Ay,
What about this one?
nalihoy up.
This next subject for Inday. This is mathematics. And this one for science. This is the first subject about of 10 solar systems. And this is science. And then the second subject, this is mathematics. Okay. So we have now, wait lang. So, Dorita, ang answer. So, ako sa tuto niya, i-explain ako sa imo. I write all first, and then the answer I will explain to you how to answer, how to solve about this subject. Okay?
Basta mo na, si Ben. Number 1. Anong circle lang na? Ay, 0 na?
I explain to you later.
Unsa mo na?
Equal. Okay. Now, your answer. Listen. This one, letters about of number. No, muna siya letters, words na siya, no, sa number. Kini siya sa number. So, that means this literacy, this is numeracy. So, ato ang what you find here, you read here, and then you find the number here, where here in the number, here in the...
Naman miya na inana sa eskwelahan. Pagkakinder na ko.
Yeah. Okay, answer. Okay.
1.
Okay, lingkod. Lingkod lang. Basaha usa. You read first and then you find here. Where is the you reading that you reading? This first time I teach for English. So first time now. Okay?
10.
Basahon sa yun ni daan.
Ako yung nasalaan.
You read first.
5. 4. it's a very big
Sige, sige.
circle.
Okay.
6.
Okay. So now you say India is perfect. Then next, the same subject, the same like this, but now next,
This one a green. It's a very
next.
blue and this a very tree.
Okay. So now here is
What the?
here. So now you must be read first and then before you answer, okay? By number gihapon eh. Basa ha? Basa ko na mo. Isay din tanin mo.
Ano na tunte?
Okay. Read. You read first. Okay.
13. Example nila ko.
Okay, no problem. Pwede na magaling mong chicken, pero circle. Okay, circle.
Seventeen.
Okay na na, hindi ka hanap. Sound sa ano?
Ha? 12.
Very good.
19.
Okay.
14. 20.
Okay.
15. Ako magkaon sa 15. 18. 19.
So, finally, finish. See, this first time I teach Inday about this subject, but she's perfect. Very good. Good job. So now, let's the third subject about of sheep.
About shape in here. A shape. Here.
Geometric shape.
Geo. Ano na? Mama, dili makalaro ang sex.
Ginagot mo na.
Ay, hindi na po sila eh.
Hot shape. Okay. How about this one? Ayan, ako lang ipabasa. Ako lang ipabasa ito niya. Ano niya eh? Pasang ink be. Nasa tanong.
Mailhan na ako.
Nasa tanong.
Ha?
Nasa tanong.
Ang ink.
No more ink. It's dry already. Ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Inanaon na day na.
Ay.
Inanaon na day na ba?
Ay. Kaya trapo be.
Ha?
Ang trapo na wala nagamita. Ay, ano sabi niya?
Asang trapo?
Nita. Be. Ah.
No, 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 no.
Sorry. Sige, sit. Sit down.
Ano ko ba? Kuan, dako.
Sige.
Mama. Mama. Ano? Wala, ay tingin.
Ano?
Ano?
So, yun. Okay, so. Ang taon yun ni mo ang shape ha. Ang usa ha. Basahong na nimo. Sige, dili. Okay. So now, let's read about the sheep. Inday. I will teach her how to read, and then next time I will draw the sheep, and then I will let her to answer her how to spelling, what the name, and she's spelling, and she write over in the whiteboard next time. So now let's read this one, and then remember how to spelling this, what words is one, what words do you have here. Okay, okay, are you ready?
Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Square.
Right rectangle. Right rectangle.
Right
Rectangle.
Right rectangle.
Okay, kini
Cone.
kon.
Star. Heart.
Okay. Timan sa spelling. Traya gikan diha nga nggel. Ya, manganggel. Start heart niya i-silent ang i-apple, iigol. Kun ang square kay likigan ha, liki ang Q niya ano Q. Square rectangle rectangle circle spell. Okay, sige nya pag-arali na unsa ni
Star. Heart.
right rectangle
Right rectangle. Triangle. Circle. Square.
how about square
Rectangle. Square. Cone.
okay so, unya karon makamao ka ato imo ha akong i-drawing niya akong pansiran sa imo ha spelling nimo.
Karon.
Oh kamao ready o dili pa So, fourth natay about of multiplication.
Another war, another turn.
Okay, answer. Awak ada kawan pag answer. Okay, answer. Unsa man siya pag answer? Di na plus ha.
2 times 10 equals.
Kila may answer.
Um, 20.
Very good. Next. Okay, next. Louder. Sigurado ka.
Equals 18.
Dali ah.
8.
Okay. 2 times 8 equals?
Mm, 16.
Very good.
Wait. Ano ko? Ay.
Okay. 2 times 7 equals? Two times 6 equals? Okay. 2 times 5 equals? Two times 4 equals? Two times 3 equals? Two times 2 equals? Two times 1 equals? Hello. Ari harus pag-answer mo, diba? Kapilaon siya. Ang to, ikaw ka isa, pila man? To, naghapon. Daw, sige na yun. So now, finally, finish. Okay. Additional. Next. Additional.
Mama, paano niya diri? Oh. Mana? Balik mo, Ma.
Okay. 10 plus 8.
Ten.
Plus 8. Eleven plus 5 equals? Diyan, Siri. Basa ha.
16. Sakto ba yung 16? I don't know what. I don't know, sir. I don't know. It's 16.
Sige. 8 plus 2. Okay. 20 plus 10.
30?
Yes, very good. Eleven plus 10.
Um, 16?
16.
Ay,
Sila.
21.
Very good. Okay. 15 plus 5.
15 plus 5.
Mm. Okay. Go.
20.
Okay. 20 plus 5.
Huh?
20 plus 5.
20 plus 5.
Mm.
Um, 25.
Very good. Thirty plus 10. 30 plus 10.
Um, 40.
Very good. No, 14 di ay?
Huh?
40, 40. Pila yung answer? 14?
40.
Yan ang 14, may magsulat. Okay, 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10.
50 plus 10.
Mm. Okay. 50 plus 10. Okay. 50 plus 10 equals
16. Ay, 16.
very good. Okay, next. 60 plus 5.
Huh?
60 plus 5.
65.
Very good. $75 plus 5.
Ha?
75 plus 5.
Ite?
Yes, very good. 80 plus 9.
100.
80 plus 9.
80 plus 9. Um, 89.
Very good. 99 plus 1.
99 plus 1.
Yes.
100.
Very good. Ay kalimti ng equals inday. Dapat ig-answer nimo, butangan jud nimo equals ay ha isulti ang imong answer. Okay, 88. 88 plus 2.
88 plus 2.
88 plus 2. 88 plus 2.
90.
Very good. 91 plus 9.
Ha?
91 plus 9
91.
plus 9. $91 plus 9.
91 plus 9. 1 plus 9. 91. 92. 90.
I-silent lang. I-silent lang na imong ihap. Pila?
100.
Very good. Equals. Ay, lagi kalimti. Equals lagi.
Equals 100.
77 plus 3. 77 plus 3. Plus 3. 77 plus 3. Very good. Okay. So finally, Inday is perfect. About of additional. So now, minus. Subtraction. Okay. This is the last subject for Inday. But it's still in math. We are still in the mathematics. Okay. 10 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. So, naabot man ta og 20. Apilo ni mo diri ug ihap ha. Kung dili ka kakaya. Sige. 10 minus 4. Mag-ihap. Dili. 10 ra man na. 10 man ni imong kamot. Minusan man. Unsa man ang minus? Punan?
Pili.
Unsa man?
Kuhaan.
Oh, very good. Sige. Go.
10 minus 4 equals.
Pila?
Equals 6.
Equals 6. Okay. 20 minus 15. Kani siya, o kana 20 na siya tanan niya. Minus sa mo 15.
Minus 15.
Oh, diri ka mag-unag ihap.
1, 2,
Kana sila to duha. 10 na.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I-silent.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Inday, she don't know very well. She don't know very well yet the minus. But she know, but not quickly answering. Very slow. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. Okay. 20 minus 15. Okay. Let's start. Dali ka, magsugod. Kuhaon ni mo. Pila naman ni siya? 10. So, punan na lang nimo siya. 10. O, continue kag ihap diri. Yang mabilin mo yung maoy. Answer. Sige. 10. Continue ihap hantod maabot og 15. Yang nabilin mo yung answer. Sige. 10.
10,
Oh, kay minus 15 man. Kinahanglan mag-ihap ka og 15 yang nabilin mo yung answer.
10,
Mm.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Ano na 20 naman? Mag-ihap pa rin mag 15.
Ay,
10 ni diri nya magpunan nimo og punan nimo diri ihap sa imong kamot arang makalangkob og 15. Ikabot sa 15 hunong ka. Unya ang nabilin mo ay answer. Go.
10, 11, 12,
Gi.
13, 14, 15.
Oh, pilay bilin. Equals? Pilay bilin. Pilay bilin. Pilay bilin.
5,
So equals?
5.
Okay, apet. Equals 5.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, 11 minus 6. So, dili lang ka magpuno og sa gulot og 1.
Oh,
Okay, go.
11 minus 6.
Ay, 11 minus 6.
10, 11
Minus 6.
minus 6.
Unaha, kuha tong nasa gulot. Karon di ka malibog. Kay 1 raman tong nasa gulot. Kay ika 11 man to. May pila may answer. Pila?
5,
Okay, 12 minus 10. Duha ka gulot ipuno, right? 12 man siya. Okay, go. Okay.
10, 11, 12.
Nasa niya? Sige. Next, sige. 12 minus 10.
12 minus 10.
Ay. Sige, go.
10.
Oh.
11, 12.
Oh. Sige, go.
Minus 10.
Oh. Kau ni, 10. Sige, mag-ihap ang 10.
1, 2,
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ano pinabilin?
2,
2. Very good. Equals?
2.
Okay, very good. 8 minus 4.
8 minus 4.
Yes. Okay.
Equals 4.
Okay, very good. 9 minus 4.
9 minus 4.
Yeah.
Equals 5.
Okay, very good. 10 minus 6. So, ang atong fokusan about sa minus og divide. Focus ta na. Times
Equals 4.
times and plus in the no.
Equals 4.
Very good. Equals 4. Okay, 7 minus 3. Sige na sila. Nanumpay na eh. 7 minus 3.
Ha?
7 minus 3.
7 minus 3.
Seven minus 3.
7
Okay,
minus
very good. 4 minus 1.
Ha?
4 minus 1. Kompleto ha. Equals. Butang equals.
Equals 3.
3 minus 2.
Equals 1.
5 minus 4.
1 equals 1.
6 minus 3.
Equals 3.
6 minus 3. Minus 4.
Na 3 ni mo? 6 minus 4. Equals
4 minus 3.
4 minus 3.
But
Equals 1.
very good. 8 minus 3.
8 minus 3. Right?
Uh,
Equals 5.
okay, very good. So, finally, perfect. But, inom di sa tubig pero. Oh, ayan sa tubig. Wow, hindi mo to imin. Na ayan to imin na nalangog na to kani pa tubig to. So, magkuan sa tali. Ay sa dali. Ay sa. Ito. Oh. Oh. Magana. Ano diha? Ano niya? Sige. Nara. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you all. God bless sa iyong tanan dira. Bye-bye. Good luck.